Hi guys, so I'm here at the Buddh International Circuit and we are here for the Mahindra's Unlimited Weekend event, and I'm sitting right now in the Mahindra's XEV 90 and we will be driving this car around the track. So first activity which we have is to drive it around the track, and then we will end up this thing with a track race with the other competition car. I think we are all set. Let's put the car in the race mode and drive off. This is in the default mode. I will just put straight into the racing mode for the track. So now we have started driving and we are just about to exit the pit lane and enter the track. So we would be doing 3 laps. The first lap is more like a sighting lap. We have to follow the lead car and follow the instructions and do as they say and get little friendly with the track as well and the car also. And second lap is going to be the hot lap, so where I think we would be touching close to 160-170 kilometers towards the back straight. And third lap would be half a lap would be more like a hot lap, and maybe second half of the lap we will use it as a cool down lap. Well, I'm really excited. I am in the XEV 90 and let's see how it goes. So we are done with the sighting lap first and we are into the hot lap and we are on the main straight. I'm doing 140, 41, 43 and now it's the braking point. We are approaching turn 1. My first very basic feedback that these buttons on the steering, on the both the side of steering are very close. So when I'm driving, I'm accidentally pressing the brake, the horn, which is not ideal, and we go full out. Let's see if we can do something with 120, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180 and brake. We did 185 on the back straight, which is amazing. I think I could have done more if there were no car around in front of us. So we are now on the turn 4. So we have now just completed the hot lap. Was not really a hot lap. There are a lot of slow drivers ahead of me. I could not do much. But my first impressions, the steering feels good. Other than the ergonomics of the steering, it feels good and light and works well. I was a little skeptical with this kind of design, but it works, it does the job, and the steering feel on the track is also very direct. Feels almost precise on the track, even if it's not made for the track. And if I talk about the body roll, obviously this being a huge SUV coupe, the body roll is there, but on the roads you might not feel much around it because you are not going to drive in this kind of condition. So it's perfect for, I think, the road as well. And the suspension does a very good job. It doesn't feel like I can't feel any of the bumps or anything around the track as well. So that gives me a confidence, and handling also gives me the confidence that I've taken some corners very tight and it feels very agile. So we drove this car for less than 3 laps on the track, and most of the laps were affected by the slow cars ahead. But I can only imagine how agile, how nimble, how fun it would be to drive the B679 kilowatt variant on this track, because it sits much lower. It is much more aerodynamic in terms of designing and everything, and I'm sure it's much lighter as well. That should add to the nimble feel and the agility of the car, and I wish I could have driven that car on the track. So, but this was also fun. Next we are going to do the drag, so we are all lining up for the drag here. Let's see how it goes. Excited. So this is going to be very interesting because right in front of me is the BS6 and on the left is the XEV 90, and they are going to go drag. I think BS6 should win. Much lighter, much agile, but let's see. So we are about to go green. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ये क्या था? ये क्या था? So one very quick observation. If we go all out from standstill, the power delivery is quick but very smooth, and the car doesn't move around from the rear, so that adds to the stability. So it doesn't feel like that it's just a rear wheel drive car and not a four wheel drive. So it gives a good traction, good hold, good resistance to it, and that assures a lot of safety as well and a lot of confidence in me while driving the car on track. So that adds to the riding and handling feature of this car. It's perfect. कहाँ है? मैं उसी को देख रहा था कि उसके पास ना पहुंच जाऊं. अच्छा 8 है. भाई ये क्या बना रखा है? Too tight. 4 seconds. So we are just done with the experience here with the XEV 9e, and first we started with the hot laps at the track. It was fun. The car performed really well. It handled well, and obviously the weight adds to the little bit of body roll, but it was perfect. Second was the drag. Drag was again exciting. We did I think 120, 130 during the drag. And third was the slalom activity. This track is made very tight, and I feel that B6 was little too big for the track, but it was fun driving this car on the track, and it performed really well. The ABS kicked in at a couple of places and made sure that I'm not losing out on the balance of the car. And overall, I would like to say it was a great experience driving this XEV 9e to the core. I wish I could have got to drive the B6 also, but that's for the next time. Thank you for watching.